Right, so here we're in the facelift Tiguan. This one here is an R-Line four-wheel drive model, so it has some specific features, but I'm just going to show you how to work the screen here in front of you. These cars come with digital displays, and you have on your right-hand side a selection of buttons. It's nice and simple to work everything. All you need to do is use these buttons left and right here, and by scrolling across, that will allow you to scroll between all your different menu options that you have for your center screen. And say you select driving data, then using the up and down arrows, which are these ones here, we can then scroll through this menu to change what you want to have displayed here. Trip information, consumption, etc. If we go to across to say the audio, as you scroll up and down, it will allow you to change radio stations. You've got navigation, and you can zoom in and out using the up and down arrows. So there's a lot of things you can do to change how you use the car. We also have on here, because this is an R-Line model, you have a few other features like the heated steering wheel button, which is this one here. All the cars will also have these sliders here. These will allow you to change whatever music station. So if you're listening to radio, that will change the station. If you're listening to your own private music via Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay, that will skip through songs. And you have a view button here which will change between a few different view modes that you've got on here. So you can change exactly how you want to have everything displayed on the screen for you.